Madison, are you sitting on the naughty seat? Here's Madison sitting, doing her first seat on the naughty seat. She keeps climbing on the counters. She almost fell off in there. So she has to sit on the naughty seat. Maddie, are you being naughty? Huh? Stay there. Nuh-uh-uh. Get back on the naughty seat. Stay on the naughty seat.